This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. This is issue 68 of Building Optimus Prime. This issue, we're continuing the arm, as we're going to be doing for a little while, I think. But, yeah, let's have a look through the magazine first. We've got David and Goliath. This, I can't make that out, but if you want to pause and read all about that, you can. Battling a giant. The death of the terrible Starscream. Okay, there we go. That's what that's about. Then we have the enemies. An episode from cartoon. We've got 2 pages there, but it isn't. Smoke screen. No, again, maybe vague familiarity with the name, but I'm not entirely certain. The Decepticons from Armada. Again, never seen it. Don't know anything about it. Want to look at those? Feel free. Then we've got the interesting bit, the build. The left arm, part 9. This is a self-contained part, not attached to the arm as yet. We're building a little canistery thing, which must be the bit that sticks up on the... Yeah, it's the bit that sticks up on the top of the shoulder. So that will be attached when the shoulder itself is attached. Which won't be yet. We've got all the whole rest of the armour thing to do. So next delivery is probably going to be the rest of the armour, finishing off the arm, possibly. And then we get to do the whole duplicate episode of the entire leg again and the entire arm again. So we've got the foot. Remember doing the foot? Yeah, I remember doing the foot. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get to the build. Right, here we go. So we've got our barrel post that we need to put together. That just fits in, and that just fits in the other side. Quite easy. It's not going to come out though. That's all right. I'm happy enough with that. This then goes in there and has a pin as well to get it lined up properly. So we've got a round hole, round peg going in a hexagonal hole. That will lock in place like that. Sure enough. Is it some sort of gun? I'm not entirely certain. But that's what we've got there. Then we've got the bottom part. What have we got? A little cover to go over that end. Like that. Yep, that does that. That goes onto there. Whether this will need any glue down the line, I very much doubt actually, because that's gone on there quite securely. Quite happy with how that's gone on there. Then we've got the only screw used in this stage. One of these. I'll finish this month's delivery. I shall put all of these aside in the box for Prime, so they're there if I should need them. That is going on there like that, and that screw will hold that together. Okay, so that is not moving. That's all good. Onto the front of that, we've got this bit, which just goes onto that post there. I say front, it's more on the back really. That is also shaped. That'll only go that way round, like so. Then we've got a cover for where that screw went over, which does again have a little notch in it, so you can only get it the right way round. Rotate it until it locks finally in place. There we go. And then this bit goes on there on the posts. It's got a way up. Looks like the narrower bit is at the top. That will go on there like that. So that is that. Let me bring back in what else we've done this pack. Quite a lot. We've got the arm there. So this is going to go up there somewhere. Be something to do with that. Yeah, there's a join in there. So that's going to go in there like that when this attaches to the torso itself. So there we have it. It's going to be that way around, isn't it? The interesting bit going forward, no doubt. So yeah, there we have it. The arm is getting there. This bit before I had on 90 degrees out, so that's why it wasn't going down fully. These bits actually go off to the gold bits, not where it looks like they'll go on there. But that's that, which is now nicely movable. And yeah, all ready for the next pack, which will come in a month or so when I'll get this assembled a bit further. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment, let me know for sure, and I shall see you for more of this, say, in about a month. But there'll be more part works, no doubt, tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.